Thank you to sharing the road with trucks and state police for coming out to Newark Charter and providing these valuable tips.
One of the things I learned is the importance of passing a truck on the left side. The right side of a truck is the largest blind spot, so it's important to pass on the left side.
They showed stats of teens and driving on the road, and that really opened my eyes to be a more defensive driver. The information that they shared with us allowed me to think more and be more patient around truck drivers.
Thank you to Ms. Trackus for bringing this learning opportunity to ACS.